Come on, Daisy. Come on. Come on. No, no, no. It's okay. Come on. It's alright. Hmm? Somebody might have hit you, but not me. Hmm? I touch you? Hmm? Come on. Come on. It's alright. It's alright. Daisy. It's alright. We got our work cut out for us, don't we, huh? She's definitely not happy. Come on. Oh, come on, honey. Okay, you just sit. You'll be alright, okay? I have stroked her a couple times today, but right now I don't think is a good time.